Hi everybody and welcome to my craft room. I'm Shellie Geigle with JS Hobbies and Crafts, and I've decided to do some spring cleaning and sell off some albums. So I will have several small little videos released over the next week of albums I will be selling. So this is my 8x8 Mulberry Kisses, and this is the Tales of You and Me album. So I'm going to just kind of quickly flip through this one to show you what's inside, and this can be purchased on my website. Okay, so it is an 8x8, and I used the first edition Mulberry Kisses, and there was a tutorial on this one, and this happens to be my original. I've got so many albums down at the store, it is time to clean up and so to make room for more. So we'll be selling off several of my treasured albums. Okay, so on the first page, what we have here is a flip, but there's a place here to journal, or you can slide a little picture back underneath. This is a little picture of mat that you can place a photo right on there, or whatever you would like. And this flips up. And this has a wonderful place to put a nice size photo. Down here we have a side pocket, and we have a little tag and another little picture mat here. Okay, so this is a pocket, and a couple of these have little pull tabs on it, and these are just our picture mats, and they are one-sided. You can flip them over to just add a photo too if you wish. This is just a really pretty album with lots of places to plant your photos. Okay, over here what we have is a side pocket, and this has a couple picture mats, large size, and you just slide them right on in. And there's a lot of detail work here that I did during the tutorial. Okay, next page is just a standard pocket with a flip out, and I've got a picture mat here, and these are handmade flowers that I did, and this folds out. I've got another large picture mat here. I think a 4x6 photo could fit on something like that. And then I've got another one. This paper is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so over here is a pocket, and we have more picture mats. Okay, next page we have a fold out here, but this here you can slip a picture back behind, and there's also a space to slide a photo back here. So if you wanted to plant your photo, crop it down to fit in here, it will slide back behind the little butterfly. And then you can just slide something, put a picture on that and do that. Okay, this space open, you can just plant a large photo in there, and right back here, this is glued down, so you can just slide a picture and mount it there. Over here, what we have is a fold out, and this is to place a photo, or you can even journal if you'd like. Okay, it folds out, and again, you can put a photo. Here is just a little place to slap a photo down, a crop one down, and then it would slide back in right here. There is a large pocket in the back for more pictures. Okay, next page. We have a very large pocket. Oh, that paper is just gorgeous. And then over here, okay, for this you can just put a very large photo on that. This flips out, okay, and we have another large pocket back there. There's a pocket here. However, this will flip out again. Whoops, my little doodad here. And this is just a tag and pocket, and then another pocket, and it just folds right back in, just like that. Okay, next page. And I like this page, it's really unique. Okay, you can put a picture here if you'd like. This does fold down, and here's a picture mat, and I'm just going to bring that up. I'm not sure if that caught that, but this just folds right down, picture mat. And if you didn't want to use the picture mat here, you could just place a photo and tuck it back behind. Okay, and here there's a place for, again, another photo. So this will flip up now, and here is another spot. And down here, okay, this will flip up. Perfect spot for a photo. Down here is a pocket. Okay, and then this whole thing will come down, and we have another pocket on the side. Great place. This is open for you to plan a photo, but there's also a side pocket to put a picture on, and then you just slide it right back in. There we go. Alrighty. Over here, same thing, just to plant a photo, and then you have over here you can put photos on these photo mats, and then they just slide right back in the side little pocket, just like that. Okay, here what we have is two pockets, and we have some picture mats in there. Same over here. Back here, what we have is a large pocket over here. We have a smaller pocket for some tags or a very cropped small photo. Okay. What you see here is you can actually just plant a photo right here. Okay. Back behind, this will come out and you can put a photo back there. And then it just slides back behind. This will flip out, and a place right here to plant a photo. Journal. We have another fold out with a pocket, picture mat, large side pocket, a couple picture mats there, and they just slide right back in. So that is my Mulberry Kisses album that is for sale on our website, and a link to the website is underneath this video in the description area. So that's the first album that is for sale, and I did leave plenty of room over here, as you can see, so when you put your photos in there, it doesn't crunch it together. Okay, the next album, and a lot of you loved this album. The paper was discontinued, the 12 by 12, right after I did this tutorial. This is the Tales of You and Me album, and there's a lot of layering and flowers, from handmade to packaged flowers on this. So there's that, and a lot of little wood embellishments. And then here's the spine and the back. And there was some little charms that we had attached. Okay, so the first page. I love this album, and this happens to be a 7 by 9 album. Okay, so we have a fold out, and we have a pocket here. And we have several picture mats and a tag, and it looks like this one just opens up, and you can, this is like a little folder. Place your photo in there, and you can see all the little detail work, and there's a little tab here to open it up. Okay, over here says family, and we have just a small little picture mat, or actually this is good for a tag. You can just journal right here. Back here is a pocket, and there is a little book. You can just plant your photos in there, and some picture mats. Everything slides in really nice on this. Over here, okay, I love this page. What this is a large frame, and you can get your picture back behind. So when I created it, you just pull this out, you just put your picture right here. I know covering her up is a sin, but what you could do is flip it over too and put your photo there as well if you wanted to keep that. And then you just slide it back in through the top, and it frames it. Next page. Okay, so what we have here is another fold out and a pocket, and we have a picture mat, and here's another picture mat, and this folds out. There's a great place to put a photo here, and there's another pocket, and plenty of picture mats here. Put that all back in there before, so I don't mess this up, so that when somebody does buy it, they'll see what was in the pockets as per the video. At least I try to do that. Okay, so side pocket, we have another picture mat. We have a large one here for your larger photos. Over here is a double pocket, and you can put a photo here, or you can journal or do whatever you want, but they would be a cropped photo. Back here, we have a picture mat and another picture mat. So, alrighty, over here, a pocket, nice size pocket, some picture mats there. Over here is an envelope, and it opens up and you can put your photos in there. There's another one in there, but this one, well, I think that one opens. This is a photo mat, and I could have sworn this one opens. Yes, it does. So that's what I had in the pocket, and of course you can just slide your photos right on in there. Next page. This page was designed just so you can put a photo in there. Over here is my zipper page, and the zipper does work. It will come down, okay? That's about as far as it goes, or just leave it up, whatever you want. It's more for decoration purpose and the purpose of a pocket. So it does hold. I have a folder card here just to put your photos in, and a picture mat. Has a cute little thing here attached to the zipper. Okay, over here what we have is a large fold out. Okay, back behind here you can slide a picture mat, one of the picture mats. It will go in, as you can see, and I think I had one in here at one time, but people have looked through the album and put things in different places. But that is what that is. And this is just a side pocket. This does open up. And we have a large space right here. And we have a pocket over here. And this is a very chunky album, and you can get quite a bit. Okay, although that this is just a pocket, this does flip out. And you've got another large pocket here. Okay, oops. Over here, same thing. Couple picture mats and a pocket. Alrighty, last page. What this is we have a fold out up here. There is a small little pocket up here for the little tag I had put. This flips out, great space for a photo up there. This flips down, and then there is another pocket. Okay. Over here, what we have is a band that is magnetic. It opens up, and we have a waterfall. And you just plant your photos there, guys. That's it. Just like that. Another photo can be placed there. This will open up, and we have a side pocket and a couple picture mats there. Okay. And a place here just to put a little photo. So that is the Tales of Us, Tales of You and Me album, and that is also for sale on my website. Thank you for watching, and again, I will be listing up some more albums for sale, but there is going to be an album that I am going to be giving away in June. So I will be videotaping that shortly. See you next time.